Hello, everyone. I'm Crystal Cruz. Tonight on News West 9 at 6, oil stocks rose today after President Trump announced plans to tap into Venezuela's huge oil reserves following Nicolas Maduro's capture. Chevron's jumped as much as 10%, while Exxon and ConocoPhillips gained around 3%. Service companies like Halliburton and SLB also saw big jumps. The S&P 500 and NASDAQ climbed as well. Experts caution rebuilding Venezuela's oil industry will take years, but markets are reacting positively, at least for now. Safe haven assets like gold, silver, and the U.S. dollar also strengthened as investors weighed the news. Now, President Trump is floating a bold idea to restart Venezuela's oil industry. What this could mean for the Permian Basin and the U.S. energy giants? Well, News West 9's Sanji Milburn spoke with economist Dr. Ray Perryman to find out.
Venezuela has the largest oil reserves in the world, but for many years, production has dropped off. Experts say that's thanks to sanctions, mismanagement, and a lack of investment in infrastructure. President Trump says he wants U.S. oil companies to step in, invest billions of dollars, and help restart Venezuela's oil production. According to economist Dr. Ray Perryman, this could open up huge opportunities for companies like ExxonMobil and Chevron, who already have assets in the region.
Well, basically, the infrastructure for Venezuelan oil has been allowed to deteriorate for a long time. And it's going to take decades to get it back in shape. But this does open possibilities that some of the companies that previously owned some of those assets, like ExxonMobil and Chevron, could well begin to start that process.
President Trump believes this plan could be a win-win situation. U.S. companies could rebuild Venezuela's oil industry and profit, while also boosting U.S. oil production, strengthening energy companies, and even influencing global energy markets.
There's a lot of oil right next door in Guyana that Venezuela have been threatening to try to take over, and it's shale oil that probably has a lot more short-term implications. And ExxonMobil and Chevron have big investments over there, and this situation has probably eliminated the chance that Venezuela would try to take that over, and consequently made that investment a little bit more attractive.
But Perryman cautions it won't be easy or a quick fix.
So it's not something that's going to impact the market anytime soon. Also, the oil there is what we call heavy oil, and that has certain applications, but it's not universally applicable in a lot of areas. So it's going to be basically they can put the money in whenever they feel like it's going to be financially rewarding for them and their shareholders to do so.
Perryman says it's unlikely that rebuilding Venezuela's oil infrastructure will have any immediate impact on what you pay at the pump or change drilling in West Texas right away. So while this plan could open up a lot of opportunities, don't expect big changes in the market in the near future. Reporting in Midland, Sanji Milburn, News West 9.